Aldrine Kibet aheirwo kanya ga kuingira Nastic Football Academy thutha wa guteithia cukuru yake ya St Anthony ya Kitale kuindukia gikombe kia mbitika cia macukuru ma secondary mwaka muthiru. Aingĩ tukimumenya makiria hingo ya mbitika cia Sekafa cia imwana itakiritie miaka 18 mwaka muthiru, akiyukia ngoga ya mugwimi mwega thutha wa kufunga bao 3. Kibet niendete muthako uyu na akoretwo akienda guthaka mubira wa kurihwo, indi akiuga rugendo rutikoretwo ruri ruhuthu kuma cukuru-ini wa St Anthony ya Kitale. Aingirire guku Nastic mweri wa kenda mwaka muthiru, kuria riu ena kanya ga gukuria taranda yake na gutwarithia githomo giake na mbere.
So we train until 9:30, then you have time to go shower and prepare for class. Class starts at 10. Continue on 10 up to 30. That's the only span for class hours.
Timu yake ni ikoretwo igithaka ngucanio cia kiurata na ikamuteithia kwinora ona makiria, riu akiuga riri ni ikinya riega akirongoreria kwambatiria kiheo giake.
It's always been my dream since I was young. I look up to them. They played good football, the Guardiola football, tiki-taka. I aspire to play for Barcelona.
Hari iheo cia soya cia mwaka wa 2023 iria ciahanikire kiumia githiru, gikiro kia athaki aria mena rucio rwega mwena wa arume, Kibet egwateire namba 2 na amukirire riboti ari guku Tarragona.
I'm number 2, but I'm number 1. So I have to work extra hard in order to achieve position 1. So it's a big motivation for me.
Captain wa timu ya bururi ya athaki aria matakiritie ukuru wa miaka 18 Amos Wanjala ni umwe gatagati-ini ka a Kenya aria mari guku Nastic Academy makinora itanya-ini ria gukinyaniria kiroto kiao.
When you got here, we didn't know each other obviously because we are from different places. But once we were here, we became best friends naturally. We live together, we share everything. Yeah, we enjoy so much here.
Handu-ini ha Inoro TV iharo-ini ritwa riakwa ni Captain Festus Lango.